Here I have washer and dryer to be installed. Washer is WTW6157PW model and dryer is WED6150PW. They match, both made by Whirlpool, and I got this at Lowe's. They had good price, good deal. And in order to do installation for the dryer, I need to have 4 prongs dryer cord, 6 feet long, and here I have 2 packs 6 feet long, also hoses, cold and hot, high efficiency. And because my dryer is with a steam option, I have to have this kit here that has 2 hoses to be connected to this connector, Y connector so called. I will need to bring the cold water to one of these connectors, and then from here I go to dryer for steam and here to washer. So first step is to unpack all this. I will need to cut off bottom lines of these boxes, take it out and put it in place. I will not show that because it's self-explanatory, and I'll continue this when I am in a place to be installed. Now that I have dryer out of box and in the place in the laundry, I'm gonna open this to find inside manual. Warranty papers, manual, quick start guide, and these will be legs that we will need to install before I put it in the spot. 2 more things that came in are product registration, paperwork, and mega sheet 3 times refreshener or freshener when we install all this. It is good to read all these instructions for safety instructions and how to operate, what tools we need, and how to install legs and connect it to the dry vent, which plug we need to have. And it says here that we need to put washer on the piece of cardboard that washer came in on the floor in order to install legs. I use cardboard and a blanket to protect it, and here is spot where we need to install the legs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. With adjustable wrench and a tape measure, I will install all 4 legs same distance, length, and see what adjustment I will need to do once I have it upside and upright on the floor. Okay, recommendation is 1/2 inch, but I'm gonna start with 1 inch, make them all 1 inch, and I'll see what adjustment to the washer I will need to make. So here's 1 inch. All 4 legs installed. Now that all 4 legs are installed, I use level to make it level, and I shook dry a little bit left and right. It was moving a little. The back right leg needed to go down a little bit, and now it's not moving anywhere. Next step is to install the cord. To install cord, you need to come on the back of the dryer, and it is explained in the instructions. And take this cover off get access to connectors and secure the cord through this hole. So it's good that these clamps to secure the cable through this hole here is provided. I was worried about that, but then it came with the cord. First we need to go with the cable through here like that, and then install the clamp. Okay, one clamp goes down and other one goes on top through the hole. It's a little rigid, but then we need to screw this through both ends. When installing this clamp, only one is having threads. Top in this case is just a hole, so bottom in my case is with threads, and it will tight. If I go upside down or vice versa, it will not properly attach, so you have to be careful which side is with the threads. It's important to read the instructions how to connect these, but I have ground, black, red and white, and here we can see under is black on the left, white in the middle and red on the right side. We just need to connect them all together, secure them, and that will be it. But it is good to read instructions to understand this better if there is any different way, 3 ways, 4 ways, or mobile homes. But in my case is straightforward, color to color. Okay, white to white, black to black, red to red, green, and I'm going to secure whole cable. Final. Okay, now before I put the cover back, I'm just gonna test it quickly. We can plug this in, and looks like it works. We need to turn it on. Yes, and we'll just test it quickly on normal, which is already set, and quick hold to start. And it works. Good. Now that I have cord installed, we'll need to connect the water, and I already connected the vent hose, and I will need to go to the wall on this side, but I will need to do that simultaneously because I will need to put dryer close to the wall and then connect it all. Now I will need to connect probably this short hose to the dryer and to this connector like that, and this will go to washer, while cold water supply will come to this connector here. So I'll need to put that all together, and when I move the dryer into location, I will connect this end to dryer and dryer vent hose to the bottom, and then continue working on putting washer into place and connecting all this together. So I'll record this all in the end and explain one more time. But basically it is so that once I connect cold and warm hot water, then hot will go to washer, cold go to here, and this one goes to washer, while this short one goes to the dryer for steam function. It's very important to not over tighten this, so I will just do them by hand and then see later, just go a little bit with the pliers, but it is very important to not over tighten. Okay, this will be cold water continuation to washer, and this end goes to washer. And here are hot and cold hoses that I will need to attach to water supply. This is cold and this will be hot. Hot will go to washer and blue goes to that connector, which is here, and one goes to the washer, one goes to the dryer. You must know which is hot, which is cold. In my case it says under hot and cold. Blue is cold, red is hot. And tight, and then just a little bit with the pliers to finish connector. With the pliers we can just go a little bit, maybe half of the quarter of the turn, and when we test it, if necessary we can do more, but I will not over tight all water connectors, just a little bit, and we'll finish this on the end. I will just make it ready on the dry and connect this end to, I need to be careful to not break the threads. It started bad, but I can feel it, and then I fixed it. Use pliers, same as on the others, not too much, and that's it. Now to get it all ready before I move washer into spot, I'm gonna connect this blue cold water to this connector and make it ready. Now that we tested it, I can put back this cover. It's going only one way. We need to put it on top here, slide it in, and line it up with the hole for screw. Now while we have connected as much as we could before washer, I'm gonna connect this dryer vent hose to here and then move whole dryer back to the wall away from the washer and continue connecting the rest of the hoses. Okay, dryer is completely connected. Cold and hot is ready for washer, and all we need to do is connect the power. Okay, now I have washer close to the location it needs to be. Hot hose and the cold hose need to be connected here, and power cord is attached to the washer. Once I have these hoses connected, I'll shove it back into location and plug it in. Okay, one more review besides the power cord, which I need to plug in here. I have from very beginning hot and cold. Hot connected to the washer, cold is connected to this connector to blue, which is cold, and one goes into dryer. So all is connected tight. I'm just gonna put it in a spot and plug it in. Okay, both are in place, leveled. I already did dryer. Washer is also leveled. Hard to see, but it is. And now I need to take all out of the washer. And I realized now that I needed to connect drain hose, which is in here. And I didn't do that. Too excited. And I missed it, so I'm just gonna pull it back a little bit and connect it. And that will be all. Drain hose is easy to connect. It's just a clamp that I always use pliers with and connect it on the back of the washer where that white outlet is. With pliers I pull this clamp off. I'm just gonna put the hose on. Like that. And put the clamp up without recording because I need 2 hands. Now it's completely connected. Power is here on the washer. Dryer as well. Water connected, drain connected. I already explained everything here behind. I will not record any of the working of any machines. Dryer we tested, but the washer I will need to learn a little bit about and then do it. I'll probably, if you subscribe to my channel, you'll see I'll probably need to study a little bit and do the review. Till then, I hope this will help somebody. It is not hard, it's a lot of little things, but if you follow instructions and use common sense, it will be easy. Questions and comments will be appreciated. Thank you for watching. Till next review video.